Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is March the 22nd and I'm using my new Pipsnegger trading system. If you remember, it's the one that has the Heikin Ashi candles on the top and it has my magic indicator down at the bottom on top of the timing histogram. I've even gone as far as to nickname this system the Holy Grail Trading System. This TZ indicator, the magic indicator, it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. This is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. I call that the flow of the market. The flow of the market is something that you must learn if you wish to succeed at trading. Now I'm at 6 o'clock in the morning, approximately where this vertical line is. I'm in front of the charts. I'm drilling down the lights from the monthly down to the 30 minutes and making my daily trade plan. We can take a look at that. Here it is. The daily trade plan for March 22nd, 22. We've had some preferred trades along with lots of bearish and bullish trades. I took these 4 as I knew that they were going to move, and it was based on pound strength, as you can see in the meter over here. See if I can just move that a bit more. It was a bus driver this morning, which means we should be buying the pound pairs. And on this pound yen, the first one we're looking at, it was a preferred one as we had 5 ups in a row. Now if you're not putting together every day a daily trade plan, something like this, that is a very strong reason why you are failing at trading. Now if you're interested in getting your hands on this daily trade plan, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Keep in mind that I do charge $100 a month for it. Even if you would have just taken one of these trades, you would have more than paid for the whole month of the daily trade plan. Some of them even if you just do one mini lot. So let's move on now to these trades, the pound yen. Let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying. There's the arrows reminding me. Took the trade at this cursor. I had a lot of buy signals down at the bottom. And I closed it out, looks like with 45 pips. And those 45 pips on the pound yen paid $3,812. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Pound dollar. Here we go, there's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be buying it. Let's see where I got in at. Looks like I closed it out at a very good time as it's starting to drop now. So I took the trade at this cursor. Keep in mind the pound dollar pays $10 a pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Should be 66 and there it is. 66 pips times $10 times 10 lots. It paid out $6,600. Okay, moving on to the 2 futures that actually move a lot more and pay a lot more. Now the S&P 500 definitely moves a lot more, hundreds of pips. And as you can see within the blue box here, it's 395 pips. But it pays only $5 a pip. So let's see where I got in at. I knew I wanted to be buying. Decided to do one more cycle. Not a big deal because these 2 are triggers to buy, so I bought. Did another cycle. That's the way trading goes. And I ended up closing out the trade because my daily trade plan said it was going to go up. Now nothing's 100% guarantee. But you know, you look at the higher time frames, market structure, and I can be about 95% sure it's going to go up. So this paid out 204. I just used a calculator, took the money divided by $5, that came out to 202 approximately. So 202 ticks paid out $10,125. Okay, now we can move on to the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 a pip. Here's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be buying, and just like magic, away it went. Let's see where I did get in at. Same as the previous pair or instrument. It did do one more cycle down after the buy signals went down. Could have did another position right on this candle here, but nonetheless, I could have made a lot more if I stayed in the trade a little bit more longer. And it looks like it's 102 and change. I'm going to use a calculator again to get that more accurate. Just used the calculator and it stated that it was 102.9, and it's really hard to get it right on, but that's 102.7. Let's just round it out to 102 pips times $20 times 10 lots, and that ended up paying out, as you can see, $20,580. Keep in mind that once this number hits 250, which it did, if I would have went up a little bit more, well, from the bottom down here, when the number hits 250, right about here, in theory, you can actually double your account in one trade. Whether you have a $500 account, in which case you'll be doing one mini, or if you have a $5,000 account, you'll be doing one standard lot. When you hit 250 pips on the NASDAQ profits, you can easily double your account. And you can double your account with the DAX 30, NASDAQ, Russell, which is possible, and sometimes the S&P 500. But there's a magic number that you have to capture for you to double your account. If you want to know more information on how you can easily double your account in one trade, just get in contact with me. So another great day of trading using my Pipsnagger system. I ended up getting a grand total of pips and ticks, 405. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips, which is my goal daily. So those 405 pips paid out $41,117. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my Pipsnagger system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. If you want some more information, just look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It'll either be at the bottom or the right-hand side. My Pipsnagger system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. My Pipsnagger system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Keep in mind that this flow of the market becomes much easier using my magic indicator. It really pinpoints the lows and the highs where you should be buying and selling. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. All of this stuff is just bonus stuff. It's a lot of education which is going to help you to succeed at trading. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of different ways to trade. That's why there's 50 training videos, about 20 minutes long each. Now I'm not going to read through everything here. All you got to do is put the video on pause, check each and every one of these out. If you have any questions, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. If you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I really do prefer Skype. Again, it's simple. If you have Windows 10, all you got to do is click on this link. You know, Skype is already installed on your computer. You click on this, we'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing. I'll give you a free session. I'll give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind, I'll do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So it's time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next trading day and video, hopefully that'll be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.